Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Slither, EO like a pro. First, focus on steady growth by consuming scattered pellets. Avoid head-on collisions with larger snakes, as this will end your game. Use your boost strategically to escape danger or quickly grab food, but remember it costs you mass. Mastering these fundamentals is key to becoming a top player. Once you've mastered the basics, it's time for advanced tactics. Practice quick, sharp turns to cut off unsuspecting opponents, forcing them into your body. Coiling around a smaller snake is a highly effective way to trap them, allowing you to consume their mass. Always try to predict where other snakes are heading to intercept them, and use your boost for sudden evasive maneuvers. To grow truly massive, you need to master survival. Stay closer to the center of the map where more food and action occur, but be cautious. Avoid the map's edges, as they can limit your escape routes. Your primary goal should be to consume the mass left behind by defeated large snakes. Always keep a safe distance from extremely large and aggressive players to minimize risk. Finally, a pro mindset is crucial. Patience is a virtue. Wait for the perfect moment to strike, rather than rushing into risky situations. Avoid being overly aggressive, as this often leads to your demise. Every time you're defeated, reflect on what went wrong and adapt your strategy. Consistent practice will sharpen your reaction time and overall game sense, making you a true Slither, EO master.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.